Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question. Let's solve it together. Which of the following is equivalent to 4x plus 4 squared plus 2x squared? So we have A, B, C, D given. So 4x plus 4 squared means, so this is A plus B squared. The formula, if you would remember that, is a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. So 4x plus 4 squared, 4x plus 4, 4x for the a, and 4 is the b in this format. 4x squared is 16, 4 squared is 16, x squared plus 2 times 4x times 4 plus 4 squared is 16. So if you will simplify this, 4x plus 4 squared, it's going to become 16x squared plus 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32x plus 16. But we need to add, this is for this part, we need to add also into this 2x squared. Remember, let's add everything here. So 16 x squared plus 32x plus 16 plus 2x squared. This is just like term with this one. We just combine that. So that's going to give us 18x squared plus 32x plus 16. When you look at the choices, the choice D will be the right answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.